In this tutorial, we will learn how to use everything on the Sensors toolbar and how to add sensors, including cameras, to your robot. First, go to the Sensors tab in the toolbar and use the Robot Camera button at the far left of the toolbar to add a camera to your robot. When you press the button, a window with the camera view appears on the lower right, and the physical camera appears on the robot. You can see it right here. You can drag the camera view window to wherever you want it. Press Configure to open a second window and configure the settings for your camera. Sensors can be added using the sensor dropdowns to the right of the robot camera button. The three dropdowns are for ultrasonic sensors, beam brake sensors, and gyroscope sensors. To add a sensor, open the appropriate dropdown and press Add. This will add the sensor to your robot and open a sensor configuration window at the left of your screen. It will also open the sensor output window at the right. This window shows the outputs of all the sensors you've added. The Hide Outputs or Show Outputs button on the toolbar toggles the visibility of this window. You can reopen the configuration for any existing sensor through the dropdown for that type of sensor. For example, if you previously added an ultrasonic sensor and you want to reconfigure it, the ultrasonic dropdown will have updated to show ultrasonic 1 as an option. Clicking this option will open the configurations for that sensor. The camera and sensor configuration windows have the same functions. Press Position to change the sensor's position relative to the robot. A positioning tool will appear in front of the sensor. Drag the red, green, or blue arrows to move the camera along a single axis, or drag one of the squares to move the sensor within a two-dimensional plane. When you are done, press Return to return to the configuration window. Reset will reset the position of the sensor. Angle opens the angle configuration window. You can change the X, Y, and Z angles of the sensor by holding down the appropriate plus or minus buttons or typing directly into the text field. Press Reset to reset the angle. Field of View opens the Field of View configuration window. Similar to the angle configuration window, you can change the field of view by holding down the plus or minus buttons or by typing directly into the text field. Press Reset to reset the field of view. Press Attachment Point to change the mechanism on your robot that your sensor is attached to. For example, if your robot has a moving arm, you could select the arm so the sensor moves with the arm. You can also press Highlight to highlight the mechanism it is currently attached to. When you are done, press Return to return to the configuration window. The sensor configuration window has one more button than the camera configuration window, which is the Delete Sensor button. Use it to remove a sensor completely from your robot. In addition, the sensor configuration window also has the Range button, and you can use this to adjust the sensor range. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sensors. If you have any questions, head over to our forums or shoot us an email.